back to another video, you guys. I apologize in advance if this video is very choppy in any way. I literally just got off of work and I wasn't even gonna film this video, to be honest. I just decided to grab the camera and turn it on even though it's dying. But I'm gonna make a sopa. I don't even know what kind of sopa this is called. It's a soup. I don't know what you would call it, but it's really easy and really good. I am already ahead of you guys because, like I said, I turned this on without even like thinking about filming it. I was just like, I'm just gonna film it. So anyways, these are the ingredients for what you guys are gonna use for your sopa. You can combine this sopa with whatever you want to eat it. I usually personally like to eat it with chicken, so I like to combine this sopa with chicken. So I already have on a pan cooking some chicken. Either serve it like this or you can chop it up and add it to your sopa or whatever you want to do. But this is the other one that I got. It's pretty close to the panini. I don't know. You're gonna need some butter. You're gonna need some onion, some tomato, garlic, and salt to add to your sopa when you are cooking it. Oh, and you're gonna also need. You're also gonna need some of this. This is to give it some flavor and coloring as well. And also, if you have tomato sauce, like the canned one, add it. Bring it to this. Take it out because I don't have one, but usually I add one, but I don't have one today. So. Okay, so I already added the onion in here and the garlic cloves. I used about 2 of them. And I'm just letting this kind of saturate in the butter for a little bit. And then I'm gonna add my rinsed pasta. I added like about a box and 1/4 of the other one, so I have a lot left over. I thought I was gonna need all of it, but I don't. I'm gonna save that, and then I'm gonna add my tomato. Voy a dejar que se cosa por unos 10-12 minutos. I'm gonna let this cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna check on my chicken. I'm gonna check on my soup now, on my pasta, and this is where you would normally add the tomato sauce, but since I don't have any tomato sauce, I'm gonna have to just work with what I have, and I'm just gonna use water. And this is the part where I'm gonna add my seasoning, my handy dandy Nord Suiza, and my handy dandy Yogurtland spoon. And I'm just gonna fill it up and just drizzle this on top. My seasoning. I'm gonna add some latte. If you want your pasta dry, I do not add water. You guys, your pasta is finished. After this, all you have to do is add some cheese to it, which I'm about to do right now because I love cheese. Like, this is meant to have cheese. I love cheese.